Hello everyone, this is Duygu teacher. Today I would like to talk about Turkish vowel harmony and its rules with some exercises together. If you're ready, let's get started. So, first of all, what is vowel harmony? It develops creating harmonious sounds with less effort. Your tongue just moves back and front to say one word. That's it. So, how this harmony happens? New words are formed by adding suffixes to word roots, and vowel harmony rules decide which suffix need to be attached so that the harmony is sustained. Turkish is an agglutinative language and comes from Ural-Altaic language family. What other languages have this rule, you might think, and these are, as you see on the presentation, like Japanese, Korean, Mongolian, the other Turkic languages such as Azerbaijani, Tatar, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, and Turkish. And on the other hand, Uralic languages such as Samoyedic, Hungarian, and Finnish languages. Büyük ünlü uyumu, major vowel harmony. In Turkish, we have 8 vowels in the alphabet. They are A, E, I, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. So we divide these vowels into 2 sections. They are back and front vowels. As you see on the chart, we totally classified our vowels with their sounds. So our vowel harmony is having a rule that if there's a hard vowel into the first syllable, the rest of the syllables must be hard. So, if there is a soft vowel into the first syllable, then the rest of the syllables must be soft. This is our rule. So, I would like to talk about major vowel harmony in some examples. Please look at the first word, which is anlam. The first thing you need to do is please separate this word into syllables. Anlam has 2 syllables, an and lam. So the first syllable includes a and the second syllable includes a again. A is our back vowels, so the rule is continuing into the second syllable as we want it. So we say that anlam is fitting for major vowel harmony. Please look at the right column, the top. The first word is eğitim. Please divide eğitim into syllables. We have 3 syllables in eğitim. E-yi-tim. Please look at all the syllables and find the vowels first. E, I, and I. So when we understand that these vowels are all front vowels. First syllable starts with front vowel, so we also check the other syllables and it continues with front vowels too. So we say that eğitim, this word, is fitting for major vowel harmony. Please do for the other words, like how I showed to you the way, and please find if those words are all fitting major vowel harmony or not. There are some irregularities in this rule that we must be careful. In which cases we can search for major vowel harmony. Let's see it together. Our first rule says we are not looking for this rule for all Turkish words. You can see all Turkish sayings into parentheses, such as anne, ana, elma, alma, kardeş, kardeş, hangi, hangi, and so on. Second rule, we are not looking for this rule for quotated words. Quotated words, they are derived from foreign languages and which we are using in Turkish right now. Ahenk, badem, ceylan, çiroz, dükkan, fidan, gazete, limon. So these are the sample words. The third rule says for attached words, we are not looking for this rule. Attached words, we are attaching 2 different words and together it becomes a new word. So the real meaning is totally different than this two component words, such as Karadeniz. Kara and deniz together becomes Karadeniz. Bilgisayar, bilgi sayar. Akciğer, akciğer. So you can see the other examples there too. And the fourth rule says one syllable words. We are not looking for this rule, such as Türk, harf, sert, hal, berk. These are having only one syllable. Gil, ken, lein, mtrak, your suffixes are prohibited for this rule. Our word root continues with these suffixes, so we can say that these words are not fitting for major vowel harmony, such as sabahleyin, baklagiller, açarken, yeşilimtrak, gidiyor, gülüyor. Ki possessive suffix is also prohibited for this rule, such as akşamki, arabanınki, karşıki, duvardaki, yarınki, yoldaki. Our second rule is küçük ünlü uyumu, minor vowel harmony. In Turkish, if the word starts with an unrounded vowels, it continues with unrounded vowels. If it starts with a rounded vowels, it continues with open rounded or close rounded. So while we are discussing küçük ünlü uyumu, we need to be careful about each syllables. This time, each syllable is controlling the previous one. So please be careful. Such as öğrenci, I put there as an example word. Öğrenci. Ö, e, i. They can fit for minor vowel harmony, as we see. Our second important part is if a word doesn't fit for major vowel harmony, automatically we can say there is also no minor vowel harmony for that word. Let's see some minor vowel harmony into examples. Our first word is merdiven. Let's divide it into syllables together. Merdiven. First syllable includes an unrounded vowel, which is e, and the second syllable is also having an unrounded vowel, which is e. So now we are going to discuss the second syllable and the third syllable if they are fitting this rule together. Second syllable is an unrounded vowel. Third syllable is an unrounded vowel, which is e. So this word is fitting for minor vowel harmony. Let's see for eğitim. E, I, I. They are also unrounded and they are following our rule together. So eğitim is also fitting for minor vowel harmony, we can say. Please look at the other sample words and please try to divide these words into syllables. We also have quotient part for minor vowel harmony. So let's see the first rule together. Words are coming from foreign languages are not suitable for this rule, such as alkol, daktilo, doktor, aktör, profesör, radio, horoz. Our second rule says some quotated words are forced to switch. So the original word is müdir. It gets müdür to fit these words to minor vowel harmony. So the second example is mümkün. It gets mümkün. So müşkil, müşkül. The right sides, they are all fitting for minor vowel harmony. Please be careful. And third one is mostly, your present continuous tense suffix and ki possessive suffix are not suitable for this rule, such as geliyor, onunki. You can see our word root includes these suffixes, so we can say automatically these words are not fitting for küçük ünlü uyumu minor vowel harmony, we say. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe me on YouTube. Hope to see you at my other Turkish lessons. Good luck on your study. Herkese iyi çalışmalar.